Lowe's is quietly dropping massive spring markdowns that actually blow those crazy holiday prices straight out of the water. We're going to look at 41 incredible deals on power kits, yard gear, and heavy-duty storage that will keep hundreds of dollars in your pocket. Make sure to check the description down below to find the direct links to every single deal so you can grab them before the shelves run empty. Number 41. Craftsman 60-piece standard combination wrench. Was $332, now $199, 40.1% off. Tearing down an engine means you need every single wrench size right at your fingertips. This massive 60-piece set gives you both metric and standard sizes so you never strip a bolt again. It skips the bulky plastic case, meaning you can drop these straight into your rolling chest drawers. Number 40. Craftsman V20RP brushless cordless reciprocating saw. Was $318, now $198, 38% off. Tearing down old drywall and chopping through pipes is way easier when you have a massive battery keeping you running all afternoon. You're saving a huge chunk of change on a setup that gives you pure cutting muscle. Number 39. Greenworks 24-volt 8-tool brushless power tool combo kit. Was $749.99, now $449.99, 40% off. Getting an entire workshop in one single bag is crazy, but this 8-tool bundle actually pulls it off. You're getting 3 power packs and a charger to keep drills and saws running all weekend long. The included soft case makes it super easy to toss the whole setup into the back of your truck. Number 38. Craftsman 3/4-inch drive standard socket set 16 pieces. Was $249, now $199, 20.1% off. When you're working on big farm equipment or heavy-duty trucks, standard little sockets just will not cut it. This heavy 16-piece set is built massive to handle crazy amounts of turning force without cracking. They're perfectly shallow to squeeze into tight engine bays where bigger tools get stuck. Number 37. Klein Tools Premium Toolkit Bundle. Was $334.75, now $249, 26% off. Any electrician or serious DIY guy knows this brand means serious business when it comes to hand tools. You're getting a killer markdown on a bunch of top-tier gear that will basically last you forever. Toss these in your bag and you'll never have to worry about stripped wires or broken handles again. Number 36. DeWalt XR Precision Blade Plus Kit Bundle. Was $309.48, now $259.48, 16.16% off. This is a specific bundle for pros who need specialized blades for their multi-tool. You're getting a 16.2% discount on a kit that usually costs over $300. Since those precision blades can be $20 a pop on their own, getting them bundled like this is a smart move for your overhead costs. Number 35. Cobalt XTR 24-volt half-inch brushless cordless drill. Was $189, now $99, 48% off. Sometimes you just need a heavy-duty driver that refuses to quit when pushing screws into hard oak. Slashing nearly half the price off makes this an absolute no-brainer for anyone tired of weak, spinning motors. Number 34. DeWalt Extreme 12-volt drill plus HSS bit set. Was $198.98, now $153.98, 22.62% off. Similar to the previous deal, but this one swaps the TIN bits for high-speed steel. It's a 22.6% discount that gives you a pro-grade 12-volt drill and the bits to go with it for about $150. This is a check store item, so be sure to see what's available in your area. Number 33. Craftsman Power Tool Essentials. Was $149, now $99, 34% off. Demo day gets a whole lot more fun when you have a saw that eats through wood and nails like butter. Dropping this under $100 is a fantastic deal for a red tool that takes a serious beating. Number 32. Bosch 18-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery kit. Was $159, now $89, 44% off. If you're already running this German brand, you know how pricey their power packs can normally get. Snagging this block at such a huge markdown lets you keep your drills and saws spinning much longer. It clicks in easily and feeds steady power until the very last drop. Number 31. Cobalt 48V Max Self-Propelled Mower Power Starter Kit. Was $608, now $528, 13% off. Ditching the smelly gas can and pulling a cord is the best choice you can make for your lawn care routine. This machine literally drives itself forward, saving your back from pushing heavy weight up steep hills. You get everything you need to start cutting the grass quietly and cleanly right out of the box. Number 30. Craftsman 20V Max Variable Speed Keyless Cordless Jigsaw. Was $189, now $159, 15.9% off. Cutting tricky curves and weird shapes in wood is exactly what this battery-powered saw was born to do. Having no cord getting tangled in your cut line gives you total freedom to work smoothly. You even get the battery and charger right in the box, so you can start cutting immediately. Number 29. Craftsman V20 10-inch Battery Chainsaw. Was $159, now $139, 13% off. Cleaning up fallen branches after a big storm is super easy when you do not have to mix oil and fuel. This little cutter is perfect for quick backyard jobs where a massive logging saw is just too much hassle. It runs smooth, stays sharp, and packs away easily on a garage shelf. Number 28. Craftsman V20 Trimmer plus Blower Combo Kit plus Push Mower. Was $528, now $448, 15% off. Wiping out your entire lawn care shopping list in one simple purchase saves you so much time and headache. This red trio gives you the power to cut, trim, and sweep the yard clean using the exact same battery system. Number 27. Vevor 2000-foot Green Self-Leveling Crossline Horizontal Plane Laser Level Kit. Was $289.99, now $209.90, 27.6% off. Hanging cabinets perfectly straight is nearly impossible when you're just guessing with a little plastic bubble level. This green laser shoots a totally crisp line across your entire room so everything lines up flawlessly on the very first try. Number 26. Wildhaven 71-piece Multi-Purpose Air Tool Kit. Was $373, now $317.05, 15% off. Getting your garage set up for serious mechanic work requires a ton of different air guns to get the job done right. This massive kit gives you everything from heavy impact wrenches to air grinders in one single box without chewing through your savings. Number 25. Wildhaven 8-gallon Portable Electric 115 PSI Vertical Air Compressor. Was $441, now $374.85, 15% off. Having enough air pressure to run your shiny new guns means you need a tank that can actually keep up with your workflow. This upright compressor packs a ton of punch but stands tall so it barely eats up any floor space in a crowded shed. Number 24. Cobalt 80V 26-inch Battery Hedge Trimmer. Was $159, now $89, 44% off. Swinging a giant blade through thick branches is much safer when you don't have a power cord dragging behind you. Scoring this long-reaching tool for almost half off is wild if you have a lot of tall bushes. Number 23. Wildhaven 3/8-inch 50-foot Air Reel Retractable. Was $172, now $149.64, 13% off. Tripping over messy hoses completely ruins your vibe when you're just trying to get a weekend project finished. This clever retractable wheel mounts right to your wall and pulls the airline back in the second you let go. By the way, if you love saving money on awesome gear like this, make sure you hit subscribe to Valid Consumer so you never miss out on these hidden markdowns. Number 22. Cobalt 40V 15-inch Straight Shaft Battery String Trimmer. Was $179, now $159, 11% off. Reaching under decks and around tight fence posts requires a long reach that this yard tool handles perfectly. Saving a quick $20 on a dependable weed whacker makes yard day a bit more rewarding. Number 21. Vevor 16-inch Worm Drive Concrete Saw. Was $278.99, now $207.90, 25.5% off. Slicing right through solid driveway concrete requires a total monster of a machine. This 16-inch saw uses a special gear setup to give you unstoppable power without overheating. If you need to cut out a basement floor or fix a sidewalk, this beast handles it easily. Number 20. Craftsman V20 1/2-inch 20V Max Variable Speed Cordless Hammer Drill. Was $129, now $99, 23.3% off. Trying to drill into solid brick with a regular tool will just burn up the motor and ruin your bits. This hammer drill punches back and forth while it spins, eating through stone and concrete like nothing. With the power pack included, you're fully ready to hang those heavy garage shelves. Number 19. DeWalt 7 1/4 inch 20-volt max single bevel sliding compound cordless miter saw was $4.99, now $3.49, 30.1% off. Setting up a chop station anywhere in the yard is awesome when you don't need an extension cord. This sliding saw lets you cut through thick boards easily while running purely on battery juice. Number 18. Craftsman 2000 series tool chest and rolling cabinet was $1,064, now $790, 26% off. Stop digging through messy toolboxes and finally organize all your wrenches in this massive red metal setup. Shaving a massive chunk off a heavy-duty box like this turns a dream garage into a reality. The smooth sliding drawers can hold a ton of steel without sagging or getting stuck. Number 17. Boss Stitch 3 1/2 inch 21-degree pneumatic roundhead framing nailer was $269, now $219, 18.6% off. Throwing up wooden wall studs takes forever if you're still swinging a heavy hammer all day. This air-powered gun shoots massive 3 1/2 inch nails deep into hardwood instantly. The 21-degree angle lets you squeeze the tip into really tight corners without messing up your shot. Number 16. DeWalt 13-inch 15-amp benchtop planer was $859, now $689, 19.8% off. Turning rough, ugly lumber into perfectly smooth and flat boards is how you make beautiful custom furniture. This heavy bench machine shaves off tiny layers of wood evenly across 13 whole inches. Running on a massive 15 amps, it powers through hard oak without ever bogging down. Number 15. Metabo HPT 18-gauge pneumatic brad nailer was $109, now $49, 55% off. This is a gun brand you can absolutely trust. At over 50% off, this 18-gauge nailer is a steal for trim work or cabinetry. Formerly known as Hitachi, Metabo HPT is legendary for reliability. It's lightweight and fires 2-inch brads with precision. For under $50, you get a pro-grade tool at a DIY price point that beats hand nailing. Number 14. Cobalt 26.7-inch green rolling tool storage collection was $229, now $179, 22% off. If you want something that stands out from the boring red and black boxes, this bright green cart is amazing. Taking a nice $50 off makes this mobile organizer a smart addition to a cramped workspace. It glides around the floor easily so your favorite ratchets are always right by your side. Number 13. DeWalt 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel compound corded miter saw was $429, now $329, 23.3% off. When you need absolute precision for cutting wide baseboards, this huge corded saw is the undisputed king. The dual action means you can tilt the blade left or right without having to flip your wood over. Number 12. Cobalt 4-drawer steel rolling tool cabinet and 297-piece mechanics tool set was $269, now $229, 15% off. Organizing a chaotic garage starts with getting a solid metal cart stuffed with brand new shiny parts. This package drops nicely in price and gives you an instant mechanic setup in one heavy box. The drawers glide out smoothly so you're never fighting to grab the right size socket. Number 11. Cobalt Case Stack Pro Pack was $319, now $279, 13% off. Lugging your gear from the truck to the house is way easier when your boxes click together and roll on big wheels. This modular tower protects your expensive machines from rain and dust while on the go. Number 10. Little Giant Multi M14 Ladder Trestle and Plank System was $194, now $179, 8% off. Painting high walls or cleaning out gutters demands a solid platform that will not wobble under your feet. This clever climbing gear changes shapes to fit stairs and weird angles safely. A small discount still helps when buying gear that literally keeps you from falling down. Number 9. Cobalt 26-gallon quiet compressor and 50-foot triple hybrid hose was $526.48, now $446.48, 15.2% off. Running air tools in a small garage usually leaves your ears ringing, but this tank is built to whisper. Scoring a massive discount on a high-capacity air setup lets you paint cars or run heavy impact guns at home. Number 8. Cobalt 20-gallon compressor and 50-foot triple hybrid hose. Was $396.48, now $346.48, 12.6% off. If you want steady air pressure but need something just a tiny bit smaller, this upright tank is perfect. You get the exact same crazy markdown, giving you plenty of breadth to fill tires and drive nails. Number 7. Extreme Tools DX Series Drawer Steel Rolling Tool Cabinet. Was $2852.86, now $2567.57, 10% off. Upgrading your shop with a massive 6-foot wide storage chest is the ultimate dream for any gearhead. This black steel monster has 17 different drawers to organize literally every tool you could ever own. Number 6. Metabo HPT 2.5-inch 16-gauge pneumatic straight finish nailer. Was $179, now $99, 45% off. Hanging baseboards and crown molding requires a slightly thicker metal wire to hold the wood tight against the wall. This green gun is famous for never jamming, and bagging it under $100 is wild. Number 5. Vevor 850-watt LED strip light 110-volt 8-amp variable speed drywall sander. Was $134.99, now $121.49, 10% off. Sanding down drywall usually leaves your entire house covered in a massive cloud of thick white dust. This clever tool uses built-in suction to grab the mess before it hits the floor, and the bright lights show exactly where you need to smooth things out. Number 4. Metabo HPT 3.5-inch 21-degree pneumatic roundhead framing nailer. Was $219, now $159, 27% off. Building a whole new room or a backyard shed means you need a serious beast to shoot big steel spikes. Dropping this heavy-duty construction gun down in price helps you frame walls a million times faster than using a hammer. Number 3. DeWalt 20-volt max oscillating multi-tool kit and job site Bluetooth speaker. Was $368, now $348, 5% off. Slicing baseboards and sanding tight corners is a lot more fun when you can blast your favorite tunes at the same time. This little kit gives you a super handy cutting gadget plus a tough speaker that can handle getting knocked around. Number 2. Metabo HPT 1/4-inch x 100 feet hose. Was $48.98, now $37.98, 22% off. You simply cannot run your new air guns if you don't have a long tube to carry the pressure from the tank. This bright green line stretches way out across the yard and resists twisting up into knots. Picking this up on sale ensures you never have to drag a heavy metal compressor around the house. Number 1. Klein Tools Mod Box Cooler. Was $79.98, now $49.98, 38% off. Staying hydrated out in the hot sun is just as important as having the right wrench in your hand. This rugged icebox clicks right into their modular storage system and keeps your drinks freezing cold all day. Hit subscribe to Valid Consumer for more daily deals.